If I'm going to break down the training, and I've done these trainings so many times, and people are always asking, what's the secret? What's the key to enrolling a lot of people? Guys, just talk to people. Just talk to people. How are you doing? How's your kids? What do you do for work? See, here's what I find. What I find when I talk to people is they don't feel pressured by me. Why? Because I ask about them. How's it going? What do you do? Tell me what you do for work. Do you have any kids? Where do you live? You know, just talk to people. It's not that hard. And guess what? When you guys are making money from your phone, look, if I was to show you guys my MetaTrader 4 from today, I can't give you guys specifics, but I made today what some people make for the whole year on my account today. How did that happen? Practice, 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 practice. I practiced prospecting. Now people chase after me because what? You get the credibility. It's like you get the white doctor coat. All of a sudden you've got like instant credibility. I sign people up and sign people up and sign people up. And then it just started to happen. You start to reel them in like fish. You don't chase after people. People chase you. Why? Because you offer value to the marketplace. You're doing photo quotes. You're offering inspiring videos. You're sharing inspiring information. You're sharing how people are making money in the most liquid financial market in the world. Forex, crypto's blowing up, right? Guys, just talk to people. You know what to do. You know what to do. Just frickin' do it. Stop contacting me saying, well, can you give me this? Guys, you got the script. I've done these trainings so many times. Just flippin' do it. All right? Don't make me do that just do it video that I did like 2 years ago or a year and a half ago. Just freaking do it. You guys know that you have the potential for massive things with trading and building the business. I do both. Why? Because I want to compound my wealth. And guess what? I am going to tell the people about that. Why? Because they need it so desperately. This is on my mind all the time. Right in front of me, guys, $1 million bill. Now, this is not a real one, but it is like an actual real $1 million bill. It's right here on my desk. It sits in front of me. Why? Because I'm going to create $1 million, 7-figure trading account this year. I'm in the process right now. I made today what some people would make in a year. You guys have the ability to do it too. Just go out there and make it happen. Online and offline, guys, you can do it. You have the tools and education. You have stuff I've never had in the past. And yet I still was able to get to the top, not having near the tools that you guys have. You can do it. Just do it to it. It's real simple. Just every day, make the commitment. I'm going to talk to 2 to 5 people today if I'm working part-time. 2 to 5 people today, online or offline. I'm going to make it happen. Whether it's about the product, ask some questions. What are you up to? You say, I'm scared. I don't feel like doing it. Fine. Then stay broke. See, for me, I remove myself from the equation. I decide, do you want to get rich or do you want to be broke? Get out of your introverted personality and start actually caring about people other than yourself. And guess what happened to me? I got rich. In my mid-20s, I was making phenomenal money. And you guys have the potential to do it as well, especially with the Forex and crypto markets. Guys, we got no freaking excuse but to win. And guys, you are going to win. You're going to win or perish. I believe you're going to win.